This is the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Saturday, January 7th. I'm Michael Groff. Partly to mostly cloudy skies will continue for much of this weekend. Temperatures above normal, but perhaps some rain chances coming in here by Monday. And overall, the weather pattern should remain status quo. Just a lot of clouds around, above normal temps through much of the upcoming week. Hints at a change in the pattern coming by the end of the upcoming week and the following weekend. So let's talk about it as we look outside this morning. Here at 10:15 a.m., mostly cloudy skies here in the valley right now. Mostly high clouds at this hour. Sky Harbor Airport checking in at 52 degrees. Dew point at 33. Relative humidity 48%. The winds are calm. The barometer is rising. Temperatures across south central Arizona and around the metro area. That 37 at Buckeye is a little suspect. That's probably a couple hours old at least. Otherwise, upper 40s to mid 50s around the valley right now, with plenty of clouds streaming in across the southwest, and those will be on the increase as we go through the day today. On the watch warning map, the deep freeze is in effect across much of the country. Hard freeze warnings all the way down to the Gulf Coast, Texas, the entire state of Louisiana, much as Mississippi, Alabama, Florida, Georgia. Temperatures tonight in some spots down into the teens as far south as northern Louisiana, central Texas. It's just going to be cold. Meanwhile, winter weather in the northeast and out here in the west, the Sierra continues to get pummeled by very heavy snow, as well as the Pacific Northwest. On the convective outlook, a small risk of thunder today in the central California coast and in South Florida. Otherwise, no severe weather expected anywhere across the country. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's happening with our weather. We'll get out to the models and check that out. This is the GFS, the 12Z run valid at 5 o'clock Mountain Standard Time today. Broad flat ridging here in the southwest states again, deep westerly flow, so plenty of high clouds will be coming into the area. All of the rain and storm systems stay well to the west and north of Arizona. Plenty of rain, Southern California on north into the Pacific Northwest, the Sierra with all that snow. Mostly cloudy skies coming in here this afternoon. That may hold temperatures down just a little bit below model projections. Highs upper 60s to about 70 this afternoon. Tonight we'll have plenty of clouds around. It'll be another mild night. Lows mainly in the mid-40s to low 50s. Tomorrow, mostly cloudy skies should continue. Some peaks of sun, though, for sure. High temps getting into the upper 60s and lower 70s. On Monday, a fast-moving short wave will move across the area. Most of that energy should stay to the north, but a little bit of that trails through southern Arizona. So a small chance of showers, especially by the afternoon. We'll have mostly cloudy skies once again. I'd say a 20% chance of rain, but even if we see precipitation, it's not going to be a whole lot. This is nothing to get excited about. Latest GFS guidance suggests just a couple hundredths of an inch of rain here in the valley. So high temps will cool off just a bit, mid to upper 60s. On Tuesday, that wave moves to the east. We're partly sunny. High temperatures should be upper 60s to low 70s. Same goes for Wednesday, partly sunny, upper 60s and low 70s. And same for Thursday. By Friday, that's where the models start to really diverge here. The GFS continues to advertise more of the same, kind of a quasi-zonal type pattern with partly to mostly cloudy skies and very low chances of precipitation. High temps would continue in the low 70s. But let me show you the European. It's got rain in here on Friday. The European and some of its ensemble members are starting to show the idea of very strong ridging retrograding back towards Siberia, vigorous short waves coming out of the Gulf of Alaska down the west coast toward our area, and colder conditions headed our way. A few of the GFS ensemble members are also on board with this, but overall, there's still quite a bit of model disagreement out here. So for now, probably just going to remain partly to mostly cloudy and maybe a little bit cooler. This is a week from today, back off the GFS, Saturday, January 14th. And there's a wave approaching the Pacific Northwest. Quasi-zonal flow continues in the southwest. But again, we'll keep in mind the idea of a possible pattern change coming our way. This is Sunday the 15th, and that wave starts to dive southeastward toward the southwest states, maybe an increase in clouds if this verifies, and a chance of precipitation potentially coming in here. And this is the end of the forecast period. Monday, January 16th. Pretty cold around here. Temperatures back below normal, probably upper 50s or lower 60s. If this verifies, if the European verifies, we could be colder and wetter than what is depicted here. So we shall see. All right, temperatures, we'll pull these off the European ensemble through the period. Warmer tomorrow for sure. I think we're warmer than 63 today, that's for sure. And then temperatures somewhat near normal, maybe even a tick below normal by the end of this week. Again, the European is trending colder with temperatures. I think the European has been a little bit too cold with temps this winter season, but still something to look at. And that's a look at the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. Our next video back here by tomorrow morning. Thanks as always so much for watching, and have a terrific Saturday.